the statue of Terry Fox here at BC Place is a reminder of how his legacy is still very relevant and also fiercely protected.
We should not be allowed to politicize a Canadian hero like Terry Fox.
The Conservatives are now accused of doing just that. As thousands were about to participate in the annual Terry Fox Run,
Terry Fox is a hometown hero.
Outgoing Conservative Cabinet Minister James Moore and Leader Harper announced that if re-elected, the Conservatives would match public donations from the run up to $35 million.
We need to re-elect this Prime Minister. Because of the fiscal situation that we are in, we are allowed the privilege to be able to invest in programs like this, to stand up and stand with Terry Fox.
Moore said the Fox family was on side with the plan.
Yeah, they're aware of it, and they're enthusiastic, and they think it's great.
Apparently, not so. We need to clarify that we did not respond enthusiastically, suggesting the idea was great, as MP James Moore reported, the family said in a statement. One of Terry Fox's close friends, Bill Viggers, who was there on the Marathon of Hope, went further in a Facebook posting. There is no place in the fight against cancer for politics, he wrote.
I will use this platform right now to encourage everyone to continue to support the incredible work that the Terry Fox Foundation, and say absolutely nothing about politics in relation to that.
Look, I remember Terry Fox's run very well.
The Conservatives responded by releasing a letter from the Terry Fox Research Institute asking for funding, which Harper says is exactly what he's proposing.
The request we made, we fulfilled that request. I think it's a great policy, and I would encourage all Canadians to contribute to the legacy of fighting cancer that Terry Fox left us.
Still, it is clear this was not cleanly handled by the Conservatives. A party statement said that it mistakenly assumed that the family was supportive, and another source told the CBC that using James Moore, who's not running again, to oversee this event was meant to depoliticize it. Obviously, that didn't happen.